Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to become a host in Zoom meetings. Well, now you will need to start your Zoom or to open your Zoom desktop client and connect with your Zoom account. If you don't have an account, just sign in with your Facebook, Google or Apple accounts and follow these steps. So here I am in the home page of the desktop client, as you can see, and now I can just start a new meeting and automatically I will become a host. There are other ways to become a host is by joining a meeting, like I'm going just to start this one. I am creating this meeting, so I'll be a host and show you. Basically, if you were already a host and you quit your meeting and someone took the host, you can reclaim your host. The other second way to become a host is to be given by your host, so you can just ask them in the direct messages. So go here to direct messages, chat, and as you can see, and just reclaim claim host and ask them to give you host. This way, if they agree, they will just click on you with these 3 points and they will just make you host. The other way is to claim a host, but it needs some conditions. The condition to claim a host, either to connect or to join meetings with your phone application, or to join a meeting before the host join it, so you will be the first one who joins meeting. Of course, this is if the host itself allows to other participants to join the meetings anytime, or if you have like you are an alternative host or you are in the webinar, also if you have connected to the from the panel system. Basically, all these conditions when are true, you will find here in the participant menu or the participant choice. Here you will find claim host. This is reclaim host because I'm a host, but I'm talking if you are a participant in this uh, conditions, one of these conditions is true, you will find here claim host. So you will click on the claim host, and then you will need to have the host key. So a pop-up window will appears that is called host key, and it should be given by the host itself, and just you type the host key and click redeem or OK, and you confirm, and basically you will become a host. So those are the only ways that you can do to become a host of a meeting in Zoom. Thank you for watching and goodbye.